Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got a package. I'm still just super shook that I am part of like Ipsy's PR. Oh my god, me. But I'm gonna open our September box. Let's see. Ipsy has truly introduced me to some really good brands. So when you open the box, my favorite thing it says is discover yourself. It says, we hope you enjoy your goodies. It looks like the theme for this month is New Groove. You'll get a little pamphlet like this. There's nothing like the change of seasons to spark your creativity, and inspiration is all around you. Dip into an unexpected color palette. Experiment with this is a tongue twister. Experiment with runway ready makeup looks and discover new ways to express your show-stopping style. We can't wait to see. And then you tag Ipsy in your looks that you do with their box. So it looks like we got some brushes this month from YC Collection. My hands are very shaky because I had a lot of coffee this morning. I've been on a cleaning spree, not down here, upstairs in my daughter's rooms. But these are so cute, you guys. Look, it has a pink tip. You can always use more brushes, and Ipsy always comes through with that. Nice eyeshadow brush. I love brushes like this one in particular because I like to swipe away any excess eyeshadow. But this is so cute and I love the color. So I'm not too familiar with YC Collection. Let's look them up. Let's read their story. I'm on the website right now. YC Collection is a Puerto Rican company founded in 2016 in Miami, Florida. YC specializes in innovative cosmetics incorporating the festive traditions and the rich colors of our native land. We weave in these core values with new trends and revolutionary formulations to offer a high-quality product that is sure to exceed even the highest standards. As a Puerto Rican woman living in the United States, Ashira Cancel noticed that there were few, if any, Latina-founded beauty companies. She wanted to bring the flair of her culture to the American woman, and her method of communicating self-expression was through colorful, high-quality makeup that inspires her customers to be creative. And I really love that Ipsy brings spotlight to brands that we've probably never heard of before. And now we know, you guys, that this is a Latina-owned company. Up next, we have Adriel Beauty. This is a mascara plus avocado oil. This is what it looks like in the box. This is what it looks like outside of the box. Let's read a little bit about this brand. So this is Adriel Beauty. My name is Araceli, but my friends and family know me as Celi. I was born in Jalisco, Mexico, and my family and I moved to the United States when I was 5 years old. Before I created Adriel Beauty, I worked as a hairdresser and freelance makeup artist in Los Angeles area for over 10 years. Adriel Beauty is inclusive and strives to empower people through our makeup by ensuring our products are easy to use, affordable, and accessible to everyone. Up next in this Ipsy box, we have Full Ritual Magnetic Balm. That's what it looks like in the package. This is what it looks like. Let's put a little bit on. Very soft and it smells super good. Really pretty shine. It almost smells like vanilla with like a hint of something fruity in there. Let's learn about this brand. So this is from Full Ritual. So this is a magnetic balm, provides hydration that leaves your lips feeling silky and glossy. It's rich in squalene and helps lock in moisture to give you soft, supple, and plump lips. About the brand, ritual-based wellness essentials for the mind, body, and soul. Full Ritual was born out of self-love, including the love we harbor for our family, friends, and community. That is so beautiful. And it's also 100% vegan, you guys. Up next, we have Gloss Moderne, which is a clean luxury hair mask. Sulfate-free, paraben-free, and vegan. This is what it looks like. It says resplendent. Guys, I cannot read. I'm illiterate, okay. Resplendent moisture treatment hair mask for the instant gratification and sorry-worthy shine. Use weekly or daily and leave on hair as long as desired. Gloss Moderne is passionate about beauty that is both clean and luxurious. From the highest quality ingredients to sustainable modern packaging, the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Collection captures the essence of Southern California with a sensorial experience that combines a health-conscious way of life and prestige beauty. Well, that is actually very beautiful. Let's smell it, because now I need to know what it smells like after eating that. Oh my God. You guys, that smells so good. Let's just put a little bit in. A little bit on my hand. I think you're supposed to rinse it out, but I have curly hair, so it's just gonna stay in there and hydrate it. Wow, that smells good, you guys. Smelling fresh. Up next, I think we've all seen this brand, Hemp's. This is the Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Butter. This is to hydrate and refresh. So let's smell it. I love the smell of pineapples. Oh wow, that smells good too. Oh, that smells really good. Let's put it all over. I'll be smelling fresh by the end of this, you guys. So I feel like we've all seen Hemp's, but let's just read their story because I don't know who Hemp's is, so let's find out. Hemp's. Since 1998, we've made it our mission to unlock the beautifying, wellness-boosting power of hemp. Hemp seed oil is the key ingredient in each of our products, delivering supple, nourished skin and healthy-looking hair. That's why we say the secret is in the seed. They're vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, THC-free, no, I'm just kidding, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. Up next, we have Sofia and Mabel. I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. That's what that looks like. Oh, wow. Very nice. Our S&M Skin Perfecting Primer smooths skin and blurs the look of pores so your makeup lasts for hours to come. Honestly, I have not heard of this brand before, so let's find out who they are. Honestly, you guys, I'm super nosy. I want to know who created these brands. I want to know the story behind them. Sofia and Mabel is a simple and universal beauty brand created to fit into any person's beauty collection, no matter what stage of life they might be in. I like that because I'm not in the same stage of life I was 10 years ago. I'm about to be 30, and I actually like that they put that, honey, because yeah, we're all changing every day. S&M is a brand being shared by mom and her daughters or on the vanity of a young boy in makeup. There are no it girls who fit into our brand identity, as we want everyone to feel like S&M fits into their beauty routine. I love them, oh my God. With all skin tones and age ranges in mind, we created this beauty brand where anyone can come and find something that will be a staple in their beauty routine. We are proud to sample our products on all persons of ages, genders, sexualities, and will continue to strive at being an all-inclusive, made-for-everybody beauty brand. Thank you for supporting our dream. Well, Sofia and Mabel, I love your statement, and I will definitely buy more from you. And I honestly love the texture of this, and that was such a sweet little thing to say. It's just right on their homepage, you guys. And yeah, just reading things like this, I feel more connected to the brand, and it makes me want to buy from them. All right. Up next in our Ipsy bag, we have Basic Beauty. That's what the packaging looks like. This is what it looks like. Wow. First of all, how did they know I love red? Probably because I chose that in my colors I love. This is in the shade Fall For You. Very gorgeous. Basic Beauty is a female Black-owned indie brand with a mission in mind to create cruelty-free, long-lasting cosmetics with high-quality, paraben-free ingredients. Our founder and CEO, Nicole Danielle, is a former makeup artist and hairstylist, so she wanted to create a line that could perform in real life without compromising on ingredients. As a mompreneur, I love that she's a mom, of two, she understands the importance of wanting to put yourself together and having a good laugh while doing it. Girl, I'm a mom too. Okay, now she gets it. This brand gets it, that it's hard to have kids and try to put yourself together. But she created a brand where you can do that and have fun and laugh and look at the cute little names that she puts for her products. What we stand for. Our products are created with every shade in mind. We are also on a mission to help as many charities as possible. Okay, now I truly want to buy from this brand. Up next in our Ipsy bag, we have ClarityRx Brighten It 10% Lactic Acid Solution. Of Of course, whenever you're using any exfoliator, use SPF after because your skin is a little sensitive after that, but use SPF every day, y'all, because we are only aging. I love anything that will brighten my skin, exfoliate my skin, get rid of those dead skin cells, so let's see what they're about. ClarityRx takes a direct approach to your skin using pure pharmaceutical quality ingredients without unnecessary and harsh chemical additives. We believe beautiful skin means healthy skin, combining our knowledge of skin with our passion for health. No harmful or synthetic ingredients, chemicals, extenders, fillers, or bulk. No fragrance or artificial colors. We are committed to giving everyone clear, healthy, youthful skin safely. We have proven it's possible to create real visible improvement in wrinkles, acne, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, sagging without risk, damage, or regrets. It's all done with sustainable products made in the USA without the harsh use of retinols, benzoyl peroxides, hydroquinone, and other harmful ingredients. We leave out extra packaging to reduce waste. Rather than using individual boxes, our products are shrink-wrapped or sealed to keep the contents fresh and effective. Wow, love that. Cruelty, fragrance-free, paraben-free, pharmaceutical-grade, plant-based, and sulfate-free. Winners, hell yeah. Up next, we have Lottie London. I love this brand. Beep, 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 beep. They sent a Power Foil Metallic Eyeshadow. Wow, very beautiful. Very intense pigment. I obviously put too much on. You don't need that much. I know you guys are familiar with Lottie London, but maybe some of you guys aren't. So we're gonna read a little bit about their brand. Lottie London is the go-to brand for the straight-talking and forward-thinking, a small but mighty team of beauty bosses dreaming big and never taking no for an answer. Bringing you the latest beauty innovation, we are reactive, inclusive, and affordable as F. Always keeping it conscious, we are 100% cruelty-free and we are striving to eventually be 100% vegan. Everything we do is powered by you. Your features on our feed inspire us endlessly and you are our #1 crush. I'm your crush. Thank you, Lottie London. We've got one more item left. I've actually gotten this brand a few times in my Ipsy box. It's the Goldfadden MD. Their Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. The problem? Tired eyes. I need to go wash my hands, but you can see this is what the packaging looks like. I like that they pointed out the problem right on the packaging because if you walk in a store or you go online and you're like, I have tired eyes, I need them brighter, well, it says right there, this is what you need to use it for. But even though I've gotten this in my Ipsy box, I've never actually looked up the brand and I want to know who they are too. Goldfadden MD is a plant-powered, dermatologist-developed clean skincare brand that yields radiant results. Inspired by the healing powers of botanical ingredients and guided by the belief that proactivity equals prevention, Goldfadden MD was founded in 2013 by Dr. Gary Goldfadden and his sister-in-law, Lisa and Lauren Goldfadden. The family-run clinical brand marries Dr. Goldfadden's half-century legacy of research-driven innovation and emphasis on holistic solutions. All products feature skin-nourishing, antioxidant-rich plant cell actives that are organic, non-irritating, and free of toxins and unnecessary additives. Born in a clinical setting and carried out through a sisterhood of skincare, Goldfadden MD is sold at over 1,000 leading beauty and luxury retailers in 8 countries and counting. And of course, you know that Ipsy sends the cutest bags. This month is this metallic purplish, really cute hand bag that I can put little things in and just carry around in my purse. They also sent the bigger one, which looks like this, which I love to take when I'm on vacation. I literally just throw all my makeup in here and zip it up and it fits and it's ready to go. And each month there's a new theme. This says, "You got this," which we all need that right now to tell us that we do have this and we're gonna make it through this month, and hell yeah. So this whole Ipsy box was very inspiring, reading about all the different brands and their statements and who they are. Super excited to try these products and I cannot wait to see what we get next month. What did you guys think of this bag?